Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club end of week commodity report, the non-members edition for the 10th of June 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. We'll be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets. We'll be providing a wrap-up of the week's events. So the session will cover a weekly market wrap-up, a snapshot of the latest developments. We'll cover our commodity watch list, so our commodity top pick for the week ahead, and of course portfolio performance update, so our top trade of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they're routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth, generate substantial income through commodities trading using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please visit our website, which is www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Weekly market wrap-up, a snapshot of the latest developments. Now, for those of you who've been following our commodity reports for a while here at the Gold and Silver Club, you'll be very aware of the opportunities that we've been identifying on the agricultural market, so on the softs, on the grains, and we've yet again had a phenomenal move over the course of this week. If we take a look at soybeans, for example, soybeans is now set for its 9-week of gains. It's the longest bull run in 43 years. We've continued to have positions on soybeans throughout this entire breakout in 2016 as we've seen a runaway move to the upside. We've also seen sugar, which we've been identifying as also a very lucrative trading opportunity, up 29% year to date. Sugar over the course of this week broke out to 3-year highs, and we continue to see a lot of very strong investment demand. Funds are currently holding their biggest long position on soft commodities in over 2 years. Over the course of this week, we saw coffee break out to 2016 highs. We saw wheat break out to 2016 highs. The same for corn, the same for soybeans. We've seen some huge runaway moves on these markets. Now, I want to turn your attention to the combined managed money position that we can see at the moment in the commodities complex. So you'll note right now, we've breached over 2-year highs here in terms of the amount of investors, institutions, hedge funds, which are currently long on the commodities. You can see soft commodities, including coffee, sugar, cocoa, cotton, they've rallied strongly over this year. Overall, they've posted gains of almost 30% year to date. They're at their highest levels now since 2013. We've continued to see strong investment demand. Hedge funds now hold the biggest long position in soft commodities in 2 years of over 1 million lots. Now, if we look at the managed money position on sugar at the moment, you'll see that hedge funds have now accumulated a record long position on sugar of 223,000 contracts with a value of 5 billion. So with that, we've seen sugar prices rise to 29% since January. Sugar prices have now come up to 20 cents per pound over the course of this week. That's the highest level since October 2013. Our research also shows us that prices are forecast to climb further over the coming months on expectations demand will outstrip supply over the rest of 2016. So again, sugar, an incredibly lucrative market that you definitely want to have in your portfolio, on your watch list, and you want to be able to trade this market. Now we'll move over to our commodity watch list, our commodity pick for the week ahead. As we move into next week, a commodity that you definitely want to have on your radar is silver. Now, we discussed gold at the beginning of this week's commodity report and the potential for a breakout on this market. And gold has broken out. It surged this week to 3-week highs, and silver has also followed suit. In fact, we've caught this position over the course of this week. We entered into the breakout that we got following on from last Friday's non-farm payrolls. We've had a really nice surge to the upside over the course of this week on silver. silver. It's continued to follow through, and you can see here we've now developed a V-shaped reversal pattern. Silver, it's closing in on its daily high here at $17.36 per ounce. And as we head into next week, we've got the FOMC statement, which is due out on Wednesday, and this could be a catalyst for the next big move here. You will note silver at the moment has formed a V-shaped reversal pattern. You've got a little bit of overhead resistance here as we come up to the monthly highs here as well, but essentially if we get a breakout above this level as we head into next week, we could see a revisit of $18 per ounce. And at that level, if we do breach $18 per ounce, that is where it could lead to a runaway move here again, breaking above 2016 highs. You're going to see a lot of buy orders kicking above that level. We're also watching gold very carefully. Gold has had an incredible retracement over the last week and a half, following on from the non-farm payrolls last Friday, where we saw essentially the US dollar break down significantly. Gold broke out from the 1200 level. Gold has now managed to rally all the way up to 1,275 US dollars per ounce. So that represents a 750 point move in just over a week here on gold. Gold's now only $25 away from 1,300, and silver is also closing back in on the 2016 highs here at $18 per ounce. So absolutely, we'll be monitoring gold and silver very closely as we head into next week's FOMC statement. We'll be providing the exact entry, exit, take profit levels for all of our traders at the Gold and Silver Club. So with that, we'll move over to our portfolio performance, and we'll talk you through our top trade of the week this week, utilizing the Gold and Silver Club exclusive research-driven strategies. Now, our top trade of the week has been wheat. We closed out of this position on Wednesday prior to Friday's USDA report. We banked on this trade 470 points profit. We took this right from the lower end of its trend channel. Lovely support zone, which followed through immensely over the last week, breaking out to 2016 highs. Now, as well as wheat, although this was the top trade this week, I do also want to point out to you the gold trade that we took as well, because we identified this trade setup with you all on Monday's report. We talked about the potential for gold to either break out of this trend channel with good follow through or roll back down to the lower end of its support zone. Now with this, we were looking at the 1245 area to 1250 zone as a critical level for a breakout, and you can see here we surged on Monday and Tuesday. We broke above Friday's highs, which were produced from the non-farm payrolls, and we've continued to follow through throughout this week, hitting our profit target for 360 points profit. So that has also been a really nice solid trade over the course of this week, and another great addition to our portfolio. Would you like access to highly profitable live trade ideas shared with you, ready to implement, rather than having to do all the hard work to find them yourself? Whether you're a new trader and you're looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or if you're an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading really to the next level, then the Private Members Live Trading Room, it's definitely for you. As a member of the Private Members Live Trading Room, you get access to the following: exclusive weekly live trading room webinars. You get live trade recommendations ready to implement, real-time trade notifications via email, SMS, so you never miss a profitable trade. You get exact details of where to enter, exit and place a stop loss on every single trade, live trade support to help you successfully through each setup, customized technical charts and indicators to boost your win rate on every trade, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to give you the ultimate edge in the markets, plus of course much more. To get exclusive access to our Private Members Live Trading Room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com. Complete the application form and we'll get in touch with you ASAP. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at either our UK office, our US office, our Africa office, or our Asia office. So with that, have a fantastic weekend, guys. Good trading. We'll talk to you very soon. And of course, very much look forward to working with those of you who will be joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.